Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In my previous video, we have a tutorial series of AWS DevOps. So in this video, we will do the CI/CD pipeline. How we gonna create our own pipeline and how the AWS DevOps works in real life. Okay. So as you know that in my last video, I have created the IAM user and I just need to configure AWS configure on my IAM user so we can use all the commands. Okay, and then we will do some hands-on CID CD demo. Okay, so if we go back to your user list, you can see you will have this user which is test user which we created in our previous video. So we just go to I'm just gonna delete this one for you so we can make a new one. So if we click delete, it will delete a user for you. Okay, so now you just need to configure the AWS. You just need to click this one and it will open a new cloud shell for you. It's like a CLI command prompt which you use, and then we will click AWS configure. So it will ask you the access key which is already here, which I created in my previous video. I will copy here and then paste it. Now it will ask the private key. I also copied in my notepad. So now it will ask the region name. So I will choose US East 2. Right now it's connected with Ohio. So and we will choose the JSON format, which is JavaScript based format, which mostly used to return the values in your um, APIs on servers. So mostly developer use two types of formats. One is JSON and another one is BSON. BSON is binary and JSON is Java based. So it's easy to extract JSON format. So we will choose this. Now our configuration has been done. Okay, now we just need a hands-on experience how we gonna create a new CID CD pipeline. So if we search Elastic Beanstalk, this is a good one which we can run and manage our web applications. So if we click this one, it will ask you to create a new environment. I already created one. I will create one for you so you have an idea. We will make a web server environment. This is we can name testing server. Okay, and now you just need to leave it as it is. We can choose Node.js because I love Node.js. It is quite fast and you can do backend, and also you can use the front end with Node.js as well. So it has multiple presets. The configuration presets is single instance free tier eligible. So we have a free tier, as I told you in my previous video. We have $100 for this account, so we gonna use this one, so that will not cost us a lot. Then we click next and it will ask you to create a service role. Right now I already created a service role. For your case maybe it will ask you to create one and you did not see anything, so I have this one. If you want to, you just need to click create and then select the preset all the AWS service and then choose the default method. Okay, so right now I have this one, and for instance profile I have this one. So you can leave the keep here, it's optional. So I'm just click next, and then it will ask you to select the VPC. So launch your environment in a custom VPC instead of default VPC. You can create a VPC and subnets. So it's like a networking stuff. You can create your own VPC as well. I will choose the custom one. This is the IP address where my develop CI/CD pipeline will establish, and you will see we have instance subnets. If you're gonna use in some other regions as well, we can choose two. And then we don't need to use database right now because we have no had not created anything. Click next, and then it will ask you, do you have any specific requirement? You can select, you can enter the GP. In some servers we need custom database where we can store, for example, if we have 10,000 users record, so we need more GBs on my database. But right now we are testing server, so we don't need it. Also, like the time interval between metrics are reported for EC2, it is different. You can monitor the interval in 5 minutes. If anything change, it will update you. And then this is security groups, single instance. We use on demand instance. If we need more, we can upgrade. And then we will set as default, and then click next, and it will ask you, you need anything health reporting stuff, cloud metrics. We don't need anything from this. We are just making a normal server right now. Also, you can update your window. um, you can choose the time as well, update level as well. So in this, so many, for example, if the server has a downtime, you can change the settings and manage that online. So it's very easy. Right now we have proxy servers here. We have large storage, and we have environment properties. We don't need to change anything. So right now we have this environment server, which is used for web application, and then we have VPC. All everything looks fine, and then we will create a new environment and make sure it will not give you any error. So you have to change all the stuff. So it will show you here that is launching your environment. This will take a few minutes, so you have to wait until it will added a new domain for you. Once the domain is ready, you will see here. If you click here, view causes, it will give you some health rate report. Right now it will take some time. We can also change the version of Node.js. um, let's refresh the page again. Let's see if it's ready. It will take few minutes. It will take and between like 5 to 10 minutes sometime. It will take less time. It depends on your configurations and the traffic on the server. uh, but it will take, if it's give you any error, it will display here. Okay, so the server testing server is ready. So we can copy this one and copy here, and then we place here, and let's see it's gonna work fine for us or not. Okay, it shows the server is not ready yet. If we go there and we're gonna click here, and I copy again, and then paste here and see. Okay, so this is our own CI/CD server which we configure. Welcome to Elastic Beanstalk application. Congratulations, your Node.js application is running on our own dedicated environment in the clouds, in the AWS cloud. Okay, so these are the benefits written here. Easy to get started, maximum flexibility, manage platform, key features, you can auto scale. So this is the environment that we created for our application. Now, for example, if you already have any web application in your GitHub or any like in your local storage, you can easily you know make it live on this. You just need to configure, and then you can make it live. You can also connect with the GitHub from this, like on this domain. This is free domain, so you can enter your personal domain as well. You see, when you creating an environment, it will ask you to enter the domain. If you already purchase any domain, you can enter that domain, and it will configure on your domain. And also, like, you can attach your GitHub repository here, which we wanna do in our next videos. So stay tuned for more informative videos, and please like, share, and subscribe if you love this video. Thank you.